is something we need. It's a leap of faith. Oh, if you have the will and the moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
St Andrews is famous for two things: as the home of golf and of an ancient university. A small town on the Fife coast, it has an atmosphere all of its own and feels quite unlike any other town in Scotland. Its isolated location is considered to be one of the reasons why Prince William chose to study here. A decision that prompted a massive increase in applications, largely from young women hoping to nab themselves a king. The university was established in 1410 and is the oldest in Scotland and third oldest in Britain, after Oxford and Cambridge. The first faculties established here were theology, canon law, civil law, medicine and arts, with theology being of particular importance. In medieval times, students could enter the university as young as 13, and a system of seniority soon arose among the student body. New students were known as bijouneurs, from the French bergeon, or fledgling, and were initiated into the fraternity on Raisin Monday, when they were expected to produce a pound of raisins in return for a cheeky receipt. The tradition persists today, with bijouneurs, as they are now known, females are bijontines, being taken under the wing of older students who become their academic parents. On Raisin Sunday, in November, academic fathers take their charges out to get thoroughly drunk. The next day, Raisin Monday, the mothers put them in fancy dress before they and their hangovers congregate in St Salvator's quad for a flower and egg fight. Elizabeth Garrett, the first woman in Britain to qualify as a doctor, was allowed to matriculate at St Andrews in 1862, but was then rejected after the Senate declared her enrolment illegal. Following this, the university made efforts to encourage the education of women, who were finally allowed full membership of the university in 1892. In 1866, Elizabeth Garrett established a dispensary for women in London, which later became the famous Elizabeth Garrett Anderson Hospital. The university is proud of its traditions, and as you walk around the streets today, you might well spot students wearing their distinctive scarlet gowns. These were introduced after about 1640, and some say they were brightly coloured so that students could be spotted when entering the local brothels. They are made of woolly fabric with a velvet yoke. First year students wear them over both shoulders, gradually casting off each year, until in their fourth and final year the gowns hang down, almost dragging behind them. Other university traditions include a Sunday walk along the pier after church, which continued until the pier was closed for repair, and a mass-dawn swim in the sea on May morning, the 1st of May. Given the particularly icy nature of the waters, this is not an activity to be attempted by the faint-hearted.